Arch Linux and openSUSE Tumbleweed are both rolling release Linux distributions, but they differ fundamentally in philosophy and user experience. Arch favors simplicity and user control with a DIY setup, whereas openSUSE Tumbleweed balances cutting-edge software with tested stability and user-friendly tools. Arch Linux is a lightweight, minimalist distribution designed for users who want full control over their system. It provides a base installation with no unnecessary packages, allowing users to build their environment from the ground up. Installation is manual and command line driven, requiring users to configure everything themselves. Arch uses the Pacman package manager and offers access to the Arch user repository, a vast collection of user-maintained software. Its rolling release model ensures continuous updates, keeping software bleeding edge. Strengths include high customization, up-to-date packages, and an extensive wiki for support. However, Arch demands a steep learning curve and regular maintenance, making it less suitable for beginners or those seeking a plug-and-play experience. Ideal users are experienced Linux enthusiasts who prefer hands-on system management and want to tailor their OS precisely to their needs. openSUSE Tumbleweed is a rolling release distribution that emphasizes stability alongside cutting-edge software. It uses the Zyper package manager and offers a polished installer with graphical setup options, making installation more accessible than Arch. Tumbleweed continuously integrates the latest tested updates, ensuring users get new features without sacrificing reliability. It includes tools like YAST, a powerful configuration center that simplifies system administration tasks. Strengths are its balance between innovation and stability, user-friendly management tools, and strong community support. Limitations include potentially slower access to the absolute latest packages compared to Arch, and it may carry extra software by default, which some users might find unnecessary. openSUSE Tumbleweed is ideal for users who want a cutting-edge Linux system with less manual configuration and prefer a stable, yet constantly evolving environment. When choosing between Arch Linux and openSUSE Tumbleweed, consider your priorities. Arch offers unmatched customization and immediate access to the newest software, perfect for users who enjoy deep system control and troubleshooting. However, it requires significant time investment and Linux knowledge. openSUSE Tumbleweed suits those who want a rolling release but prefer a guided installation and management experience, with tools like YAST easing system maintenance. Tumbleweed's tested updates reduce the risk of breakage, making it more reliable for daily use. In real-world terms, Arch is favored by developers and power users who value flexibility, while Tumbleweed appeals to users seeking a balance between innovation and stability without the steep learning curve. Both are powerful but serve different user needs and technical comfort levels. Choose Arch Linux if you want full control of the latest software immediately and are comfortable with manual setup and ongoing system management. openSUSE Tumbleweed is the better choice for users who want a rolling release with strong stability and user-friendly tools. It offers cutting-edge software without the complexity of manual configuration, making it ideal for both intermediate and advanced Linux users looking for reliability and ease.